We are here to exceed the beauty needs of the curly, coily tight textured community. We are centered around the celebration of Black beauty. We are an active space for uplifting loving our authentic beauty. We are Black-owned, Black-founded. Legal disclaimer. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Top reviews from the United States. I liked the product. I loved how the product worked with my hair, it made shampooing easy. The scent was refreshing and left my hair manageable and clean. Love the product. Really curls moisturizes my hair.